Okay, so here's a question. That functionality that I was describing with Narrator, where I could put their name on top and email them, once I've set up my video like we did yesterday,
Mhm.
can I do that from my iPhone using the Dubb app on my iPhone?
Oh, you mean the little band at the top?
Yes.
I'll show you. Ready?
Yeah, you think yes, you could?
Yes. So let me. It looks
Woo,
like.
this gentleman, let me tell why you guys want to get excited by this.
Yeah. All right. So here's what you do. So you see the video library right there in the middle, Kevin? You see
Yep,
it?
yep.
Right. So I'm going to select the High Rob one, right? I'm going to pick that one.
Hold
And then
on,
I'm
I'll
going to
pick that
click the
one.
blue share video in the middle, drop down, and see where it says copy for email to the right, the little drop down arrow.
Mhm.
See that?
Oh, sorry, show me that again because I was looking at my screen.
Yeah. So see share video blue, tap
Yep,
the share video. Now it says copy for email, the very first one.
yep,
All the way to the right in the copy for email line, there's a little drop down arrow.
yep.
Select that. And then boom, you can put the email in right there for the tracking and then add the personalization text, which I'm going to do right now. I'll put, hi, Rob. I'll put a little smiley face on here.
This is huge, gentlemen.
And then I'm going to put copy for email. See the button? Copy for email. And then I'm going to go down to my email client on my
Hold
phone.
on, I'm trying to do it in real time with you. Just
Oh,
give me a
sorry. Okay,
second.
got it. Yeah.
Hold on, I got that and the personalized text. Red is a great color, but green is better.
Yeah. Green is money, red is stop. Green is go, red is stop. There we go.
Okay, now what do I do?
Oh,
Copy for email?
yeah, yeah. Copy for email. That big blue button, copy for email. Yep.
Done.
And then open up your email client on your phone.
Okay, hold
And
on.
then,
That would be Gmail.
yep. And then obviously, always put the word video in the subject line, but best practice. But then you just click inside the body of the email. If you want to look at mine here, Howard, and then just click paste and it drops it right in. There you go.
Yep, it worked. Woohoo!
Mine,
All right.
hey, look, the one thing you might not want to do though is because look, I put emojis in for smiley
Yep.
faces and that's what came out. So maybe don't use an emoji. So there you go. Yep.
Yeah,
Nice.
that that's
I didn't know you
that's
could
a
do that
big
on
deal.
mobile. That's cool.
That is very, very cool, gentlemen.